Okay, guys, this is the season of open houses. This is when we should be doing more open houses than ever. Now, when we're doing open houses, I want you to start thinking about if you're using curiosity questions as a part of your conversational strategy. So curiosity questions can unlock the door to getting permission to continue a relationship after someone leaves your open house. Let me give you an example now. What if I said to you, hey guys, feel free to walk around the house. I'll answer any questions that you have. I'll maybe point out some unique features, but one quick question for you. The seller has authorized me to give to anybody that would like a copy of the CMA that we use to price the property, the comparative market analysis. Think of almost like an appraisal. Would you guys like a copy of that? This is catnip to most buyers. Most buyers cannot not get that. So often they'll say, yes, great, I can text it to you, I can email it to you, what should you prefer? And now I've gotten permission to continue the relationship. Now, of course, before I make that approach, I would have had to clear that with the seller. And my conversation with the seller about that, by the way, would be something like this. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, the number one question I get about new listings that hit the market is how do we price the property? And with your permission, since you did price it, according to my suggestion, and you priced it according to the CMA that we gave you, I would recommend sharing the CMA we use. Let them see the comps, because in my experience, it enables us to get higher offers because we're giving them objective data, and we say, hey, we're based it on the properties that have sold, other active listings. You got some other ideas, but here's what we're basing this on. In my experience, we get higher offers and even more full price offers or over full price offers as a result. So would you allow me to do that? They say yes. Have them sign or send you an email or text authorizing you to do so. Now I can use this at my open houses. So that's just one approach. But curiosity questions can be other things. You can say, would you like to know the utility costs for the last 12 months? I can text you that. I can email you that. Would you like to be updated on any new listings that hit the market that are not hitting MLS but are coming on the market? We call those pocket listings. Those could be coming up available in maybe the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Would you like to be made aware of that? Would you like to know what this house eventually sells for, goes pending for? Be creative. Use curiosity questions to engage those buyers, because 72% of them are sellers in disguise. A lot of listings out there, a lot of opportunities for you. Guys, if you want more ideas like this, join us over at eRealEstateCoach. Check out our coaching program over there. You'll love it. It's absolutely one of the best coaching programs in the country. And the first month is only $1. Hope to see you over there soon. Have a great day. Good selling.